This is it now. All this in the past 5 minutes. All of this simply in the past 5 minutes. It began to snow very, very heavy. On this side of Izmailova, that's the hospital where I practice. And this is the neighborhood. That's in Azemtsova, hospital number 36. Oh, not practicing there. That's where I'm doing my specialization. So, this is the unusual weather we are having in Moscow now. We just knocked off at work. We had a very long surgery from 10 o'clock until 4 p.m. From 10 a.m. We only finished the operation at 4 p.m. And now it's 7:30 p.m. I'm only getting to go home now. So that's the life of a cardiovascular resident in Azemtsova. So now, let me take you on a trip to Izmailova station. Not in Izmailova, but yes, actually, Izmailova on the MTK. So this is the Russian neighborhood. Wow, I should say the Moscow neighborhood. Not all of Russia looks like this, obviously. Not every single city or every single place in Russia looks like this. Not every single village looks like this. In any case, Russia really looks good. It's well built, and it's one of the reasons why I love it here. It's well built, even in places that are not highly developed like Moscow. It's just beautiful. And people are friendly. I should say that